We'll guide you through how to reverse video in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your project and confirm your video clip is already imported into the project panel. Drag the clip from the project panel into the timeline so it appears in an active sequence. Click once on the clip in the timeline to make sure it is selected. Right-click directly on the selected clip to open the context menu. From the list, choose Speed and Duration to open the Clip Timing Settings window. In this window, locate the option labeled Reverse Speed and enable it by clicking the checkbox. Keep the speed value at 100% if you want normal playback timing in reverse. Press OK to apply the change and close the window. Move the playhead to the start of the clip and press play to confirm the video now runs backward. If the clip also contains audio and you want the sound reversed, leave the clip linked before applying reverse speed. If you want only the visuals reversed, right-click the clip and choose Unlink first. Select only the video layer, then open Speed and Duration and enable reverse speed again. To apply the reverse effect to more than one clip, hold the Control key and click each clip you want to modify in the timeline. After selecting them, right-click one of the highlighted clips and open Speed and Duration. Turn on reverse speed and press OK, so all selected clips are updated together. If the reversed motion feels too fast or too slow, right-click the clip again and reopen Speed and Duration. Change the speed percentage value to a lower or higher number, then confirm with OK. Check the result by scrubbing the timeline and previewing playback from several points. Make sure the reversed section aligns correctly with nearby cuts and transitions. If needed, drag the clip edges to trim the new start and end frames after reversing. Save your work by pressing Ctrl and S to store the updated sequence. Continue reviewing the timeline until the reverse playback looks correct in the preview monitor. When finished, open the Export menu. Choose your format and preset, confirm the output name and location, then start the export process to render the reversed video file.